Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Deep Dive, the English podcast. I'm Emma, your host.
And I'm Jack, your co-host. Today, we're going to help you learn English at the restaurant.
Yes, we'll teach you useful English conversation you can use when you order food, talk to a waiter, or eat out with friends.
If you're a beginner, A1 or A2 level, this episode is perfect for you. We'll use easy English, short sentences, and repeat important words.
You'll also learn restaurant vocabulary, common phrases, and listening practice, so stay with us for the full episode. Okay, Jack, let's start from the beginning. You and I go to a restaurant. What's the first thing we do?
We walk in, and the host or hostess says, "Hello, welcome. How many people?"
Yes, that's the first question. How many people? It means how many people will eat.
And we can answer, "Table for two, please." Just me. We're 4 people.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Table for 2, please.
Just me, please.
We're 4 people.
Good job. After that, the host might say, "Right this way, please," or "Please follow me."
Then they take you to your table. And you can say, "Thank you."
Section 2, sitting and getting the menu. Now we're sitting. The waiter comes with the menu. He says, "Here's the menu."
And maybe, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Good one. Let's learn drink vocabulary. Water, juice, coffee, tea, soda, milkshake.
Yes. If you want water, you can say, "Can I have some water, please?" Or, "Just water for me."
And if you want something else, "I'd like an orange juice, please." "Can I have a cup of coffee?"
Let's repeat these together. "Can I have some water, please?"
"I'd like an orange juice."
"Can I have a cup of coffee?"
Perfect. You sound great.
Section 3. Ordering food. Now it's time to order food. The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
You can answer, "Yes, I am." "Not yet. Please give me a few more minutes."
When you're ready, you can say, "I'll have the chicken sandwich." "Can I get the pasta?" "I'd like a burger and fries."
Let's learn some common restaurant food words. Burger, fries, salad, pasta, pizza, rice, sandwich, cake.
Yum! I'm getting hungry. Jack, what would you like to order?
I'll have a cheeseburger and a soda.
And I'll have a salad and some iced tea.
That's a healthy choice.
Thanks. And don't forget to say please and thank you. It's polite.
Section 4. Asking questions about the menu. Sometimes you might not understand something on the menu. That's okay. You can ask questions.
Here are some examples. What's in this dish? Is this spicy? Does this have meat? Can I make it without cheese?
Good. Let's try a small dialogue.
Excuse me, what's in the soup?
It has chicken, vegetables, and noodles.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Okay, I'll have the soup, please.
See? That's an easy restaurant conversation.
Section 5. Special requests. Sometimes you want to change something in your order. You can say, "Can I have it without onions? Can you make it less spicy? Can I have extra cheese?"
Yes. Let's try a dialogue. What would you like to order?
"I'd like a pizza, please. can you make it without mushrooms?
Sure, no mushrooms. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, your food will be ready soon.
Section 6. While eating. Now the food arrives. The waiter says, "Here's your order. Enjoy your meal."
And we can say, "Thank you. It looks delicious."
While eating, if you need something, you can say, "Excuse me, can I get some ketchup? Can I have some salt, please? Can I get more water?"
Good job. These small, polite sentences make your English sound natural and friendly.
Section 7. Dessert and bill. After finishing your food, maybe you want dessert.
The waiter might ask, "Would you like some dessert?"
You can say, "Yes, please. Can I see the dessert menu?" Or, "No, thank you. Just the bill, please."
The bill is the paper that shows the price. In the U.S., we also say check.
Right. So you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
Let's repeat. Can I have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please?
Good. When you pay, you can say, "Here you go. Keep the change," if you give a tip.
Nice. You did it. A full restaurant conversation in English.
Section 8. Review and practice. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
When you arrive. How many people? Table for 2, please.
When you order drinks, "Can I have some water, please?"
When you order food, I'd like the burger and fries.
When you ask questions, "What's in this dish? Is it spicy?"
When you want something, can I get some ketchup?
When you finish eating, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Section 9. Full role play listening practice. Now let's listen to a short restaurant role play. You can repeat after us to practice speaking. Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many people?
Table for 2, please.
Right this way, please. Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes. Can I have an orange juice, please?
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I need a few more minutes.
No problem. I'll be back soon.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready now?
Yes. I'll have the chicken salad, please.
Would you like any dressing?
Yes. Ranch dressing, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, your food will be ready soon.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Section 10. Vocabulary Review. Let's review today's vocabs. Repeat after us.
Waiter, waitress,
Menu, bill or check,
table, dish.
drink, order, dessert,
Good. And here are some useful verbs.
order, eat, drink, pay, sit, ask, enjoy.
Perfect. Let's go over useful restaurant phrases one last time.
Table for 2, please.
Can I have some water?
I'd like the pasta, please.
What's in this dish?
Can I get the bill?
Thank you.
If you practice these sentences, you'll sound confident and polite when you eat out.
That's it for today's episode. Learn English at the restaurant.
We hope you learned many useful English phrases and had fun practicing with us.
Don't forget to listen again and repeat the sentences to improve your English speaking skills.
If you liked this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant food?
See you in the next episode of Deep Dive, the English podcast.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning English every day.
Bye.